Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be using this velvet fabric. We're going to be using this velvet fabric and this cloth gum, okay, to make some beautiful flowers that we're going to put on the shoulder of our native blouse, okay. So what you're going to do, first things first, is you're going to iron this gum. It's called interfacing, okay. We're going to iron it on the back part of this velvet, okay, on this part. So I'm going to iron it here. So that's been done here. I've ironed it to the back of it, okay. So I'm going to start making my circles, okay. I'm going to make 3 large circles. I'll be using this cover of a bowl to make 3 large circles, or 4 depending on how many you want, okay. I'll be cutting this out, and I'll also be cutting out other sizes. So everything depends on the size, on how wide you want the circle to be. So I'm going to cut out different sizes also. So I've cut out these one. So I've cut out different sizes, okay, different sizes of the circle, okay. This is another size here. So now we're going to be working on it now. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'll start with the big one, okay. I'll start with the big one and I'll fold it over, okay. You just fold it over like this. Then I'll fold it into 4. It depends on whatever style you want. I'll fold it into 4. I'll take my needle and thread that I have threaded, okay, and I'm going to run it through this one, okay. I'm going to do like a gather stitch, something that when I put it through, you can leave like 1 inch in between, okay, or 3/4 of an inch in between your stitches, okay. Okay, and let me just show you how it's going to be, okay. So I'll pull it like this. I'll put another stitch inside here so I can pull the end, okay. So you see what it gives us. So the next one, I'm going to start from here and make sure that this double folded edge, okay, is at this side also. So I'll fold the second one, and we drag. We made the second one. So go ahead and continue. So this is the 5th one. I went ahead to cut some more. So still on the same thread, okay, you just drag, 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 so you get this pointed edge. You drag, then you connect these two here, connect these two. Okay, so I'm going to come in with my next set. Okay, which are these ones. I'm going to be using 3, 1, 2, 3. After that, I'll now use 2 or 1 for the next layer. So basically that's how to do this design. So I hope you learned something today. I'll continue. I'll show you the end product. See you in the next video. Bye. So I've done the second one. Okay, this is the second one. The only thing you need to do here is just straighten out the flowers. Okay, straighten them out. Then you can put this one on top. Okay, to make the second layer. You can either sew it down or use your glue gun to fix it there. Then put whatever applique. If you want a smaller one on top, whatever you want to do, you can put your applique here in the middle also. So I'm using my glue gun. I'll just apply it all around here. If you don't want to use a glue gun, you can use, if you don't want to use a glue gun, you can sew it down. So I just fix it in the middle here. Then I also fix this button. You can put anything, just be creative. And there we have it. And there we have it.